My husband just came back now with a very huge surprise. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Guys, oh my god. Oh my god. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, the Lord has done it finally. Finally. I said the Lord has done it finally. How do I start? Like, how do I start this thing? How do I say it? How do I... Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm super duper excited right now. Like, guys, my husband just came back now with a very huge surprise. Do you want to see that? Do you want to know what the surprise is all about? Do you want to know why I'm this happy? Do you want to know why I'm this happy, guys? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Like, let me sit down. And then I'm going to gist it. Guys, I finally have a mic. Can you see? This is a mic. This is a microphone. So I want all of us to do the unboxing. This microphone just landed just now. Like, let me say 5 minutes ago, we came back with this, and with the happiness, with the, you know, I want to do the unboxing just right away. I can't wait, but I want to do it with you guys. So let's unbox this and know what's inside. This is actually my first time seeing this. It's with my bare eyes. Like, you guys don't know how happy I am. I'm very, very happy. If you watch very well, it's still sealed. Like, it have not been opened at all. So I would like us to unbox this. Let's do the unboxing together. This is K11 wireless microphone. Can you see it? This is what it looks like inside. Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so very much for stopping by. So guys, that clip that you just watched now was the day my husband bought this K11 wireless microphone for me. So and I tried unboxing it, but I found out that some of the clip was having an issue or something like that, or didn't record because my phone went off. So I decided to keep it and then do the normal unboxing today. So I want to just introduce you guys to this K11 wireless microphone. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but the name is just K11, right? So that is just it. So inside it, I opened it that day, okay, but I noticed that some of the clip didn't save because the phone went off. Okay, so here is the mic itself, and here you can see the clip where you can just clip it on your clothes or on your dress, right? Or you can, if you just want, you can just hold it like this and be doing whatever you want to do, right? So and here is the on-in point. Okay, can you see? Here's the on-in point, and it also came with, like, it is in pair, like it's one pair, like, right, two of it. So everything you need to know about this wireless mic, this K11 mic, is in the manual. Okay, so you can just go through the manual, and from it you can just learn. From here you can learn how you can be able to make use of the microphone, right? Okay, so it's not that hard. It's not that hard. Just once you go through this thing, just if you are somebody like me that have not make use of this thing for once, because this is actually my first time seeing something like this. So if you are someone like me that doesn't have any knowledge on how to use it, so you can just go through the manual, and from the manual you can see how you can go about using it. Okay, right? So, and it also came with multiple ports. Okay, this is the, what is it called, this is the type C port, right? So this is the type C port, and from here you can charge it. Can charge it when, as in when you are making a video and your phone is running down or something like that, and you want to charge it, you can just plug your charger right here. Okay, you can just plug your cord, your cable wire right here, and then you charge from it, right? So, and it also came with this USB port. This is a USB charging port. You can, so it also came with it. So if you have a USB phone, if your phone is using USB port, you can just go ahead and use it. So what you just do is just to clip this one from the under here, just to clip it inside the type C cord, and then plug it, slot it inside your phone, okay, as if you want to charge your phone, right? And then you are good to go. Then on it and you can make use of it, right? And here it also has an iPhone port. This is an iPhone port. So if you have an iPhone, you can just make use of this one, and then you just, what you just do is to plug it inside this one. Okay, I found out that this one is the main transmitter, what is it called? Let me quickly check on the manual what this is called. Okay, so okay, this is the receiver, right? So you can see it's there, it's right there. So this is the receiver, and this one is the transmitter, right? So you can just go ahead and use that your iPhone port, and then slot it inside like this. Okay, can you see it? And then you can plug it on your phone, that place, like that place that you used to charge your phone from. Okay, so that is just it. And then it also has a cord, like it also has a cord that you'll be using to charge it. Okay, a cable wire, and the cord is just type C. Okay, I'm just bringing it out. You can see I've not made use of it. So the cord is type C. Okay, so you can just also make use of it and charge your whatever thing. Like if you want to charge this one, you can just slot it inside like this, and then plug it on the charger head, and then you can just charge it from. So once you plug it, it's going to be showing lights. I think it will be showing red or green light, something like that, because I've not charged it before. So it will be showing you lights to indicate that it's actually charging, right? So that is it. So I so much thank God for this, because this is what I've been praying for. I've been praying for this for a very long time, and thank God he just surprised me with this. And I so much thank God, and I so much thank him, because that man has been a blessing to me. Like everything I'm using to do my video, everything about this channel, he has been my strong bone starting from day one, and I say may God bless him in Jesus' name. So you guys, you can just go ahead and order it from anywhere. Okay, just order from, you can just take them on their page, like K11 page. I don't know if they have page, but I don't know, but this is actually fine, beautiful. I feel like testing it, okay, but I don't know. Let me just go ahead and quickly slot it inside this phone to check if it can work, right? So as I plug it, because the port I'm making you, the phone that I'm using to film this video right now is an iPhone. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the iPhone to the receiver, right? This is the receiver, just as receiver. So I'm going to plug it inside like this, and then I'm going to plug it on my phone. So guys, I'm trying to plug it. already on. So I'm going to check if it is working or it's not working. So you guys are going to tell me if this is working, because from the background noise and everything, if my voice change or something like that. So if there's anything that you're noticing, you can just let me know down the comment section, because like me now, I don't even know if it is working or not. So I'm just like, you know, so that is it. But it's showing me light here. If you watch very well, you're going to see the green light there. So I don't know if it is working or not, because this is actually my first time using this, right? Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm so happy that I finally have this. I've been praying for this for a very long time, and surprisingly God did it for me, and he's also going to do it for every one of you that is praying for something like this. I'm so happy I finally have this. Oh my god. Thank you, Jesus. So this is what it looks like. So from now henceforth, you'll be seeing something like this whenever I'm making a video, or sometimes I'll clip it on my dress. I'm trying to clip it on my dress. So I'm going to be like like this, right? So I normally see people that used to do I'll keep something like this. Yes. So I'm now among them. So I'll just guide and keep it like this, and then make my video. So from now henceforth, you're going to be seeing something like this. And then whenever you see it, remember that my husband surprised me with this. Guys, I'm so happy and overwhelmed. So this comes to the end of this video, this our unboxing video. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, do well to hit on that subscribe button, turn up your bell notification, so that whenever we upload a video you get notified. Okay, and then please, if you're my returning viewers, my returning subscribers, you guys are the very best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video, for always supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'm not taking it for granted. May God bless each and every one of you in Jesus name. Please subscribe if you have not, and also please do well to engage in my other videos. I have so many videos, this season. Work joke, like seriously, work joke, and that is the reason why I have not been not uploaded any video for the past how many weeks. But you guys should please pardon me, because this time around I'm going to adjust. Okay, so that is just it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I love you guys, and I'm not taking it for granted. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye. Please do well to give this video a massive thumbs up, okay, so that more people can be able to see it. Share it, and then God will bless you all. I love you guys, and bye.